Now, as COVID cases surge across the country, 10 Investigates has found new rising cases in places where COVID once raged. We're talking about nursing homes and other long-term care facilities.
Yeah, here in Ohio, the numbers inside these facilities have quadrupled over the past month, and it comes at a time when the federal government is sending a warning to some. Get your staff vaccinated or lose federal funding. Here's Chief Investigative Reporter Bennett Haberlin.
These long-term care facilities in Columbus have reported recent increases in COVID cases, and they're not alone. 10 Investigates found state data showing increases in COVID cases being reported at other nursing homes and long-term care facilities. Take a look at this. On July 21st, these were the case figures for both residents and staff. Fast forward to this week, and new numbers. COVID cases are 4 times higher than what they were a month ago. Similar growth has occurred all across the country.
Is it the variant? I don't know. But it sure seems like it's different than we experienced before.
Lauren Coyle is the administrator at Bethany Village near Dayton, which has used its website to announce case updates. Earlier this month, it canceled visitations.
More recently, I would say that we're seeing more symptomatic cases, whereas earlier on, over the summer months when we would have those isolated cases trickle in, they would typically be asymptomatic or very, very mild cases.
I asked her what might be driving this, the Delta variant or lack of vaccinations among staff, or both. You're not prepared to say how many of your workers are vaccinated?
No, I am not.
Is it fair to say it's less than the 95% of what your residents are experiencing?
Oh, sure. I mean, you can look at Ohio and know that it's not going to be near 95%.
Lauren told me they have seen cases even among the vaccinated, but that her facility is still frequently testing and encouraging staff to get the shot.
I truly believe in the science and support, everyone to get the vaccine. However, I do also understand that there are people out there that have their own personal choices, health concerns, things of that nature that would, dissuade them to go the other direction, say that they're not going to get it.
This week, the Biden administration gave notice to skilled nursing homes. Get your staff vaccinated or risk losing federal funding.
We are extremely concerned about it, and I can't underline extremely enough. I just was in a board meeting with my board of directors, and they are freaked out.
Pete Van Runkle is with the Ohio Healthcare Association, a lobbying group that represents nursing homes and other long-term care facilities. The exact language of this proposed federal rule has not been spelled out yet. That will likely happen in September. Van Runkle tells me the increase in cases could be due to both the Delta and a lack of vaccinated staff. But he said requiring that staff be given shots against the threat of pulling Medicare and Medicaid funding will ultimately hurt patient care.
Without Medicare and Medicaid, if you were to take it away today, almost every skilled nursing facility in the state would close.
Bennett Haberlin, 10 Investigates.
If you have something you want Bennett and the 10 Investigates team to look in, you can email them at 10investigates@10tv.com.